driving across the state to Dunedin, near Tampa, just north of Tampa, Clearwater. We're going to look at a boat. We got an offer in on a boat. He's got till tomorrow to accept our offer. We put an offer in on the 55 High Star. But there's a much smaller boat in Dunedin on the Gulf Coast that we're going to go look at. It's a single engine, which I like. It's got a sun deck, which Michelle likes. It's got the aft cabin, which Michelle likes. It's got enough head space where I won't hit my head, which I like. But it's much smaller. It's 36 feet. It's only like 12 feet wide. So it would be a lot smaller. But we'd save money on fuel because it's a single engine. And it's a newer boat. 2001 instead of a 1989. Cheaper to insure, cheaper for fuel.
So we're going to two extremes.
We're going from one extreme to the other, back and forth. But, what was I going to say?
This one has steps.
Well, it's got steps. Yeah, it's
Stairs.
I mean stairs for the
Instead
dog.
of a ladder.
Instead of a ladder. We think we've looked at it before, but as long as the living space is big enough, it's got a down galley, right?
Propane.
It's got propane, which we like. It's got a lot of things we like. But it costs more. It's newer. So everything's a compromise. Do we buy the older boat for less and pay more money in fuel and dockage and insurance, or get the smaller boat for more money but pay less in fuel? So everything's a compromise. So anyways, we're going to Dunedin, going through the Ocala National Forest soon. We're just crossing the Oklawaha River. I don't know if you can see right outside, but this is the Oklawaha River. So that's where we're going. Stella is with Luke, and we should be one day there and one day back. So that's it.